Hello viewers, 4DIYers here back with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to get the serial number code for the radio and enter in the radio code for the second generation Honda Pilot. This is a 2011 model, but this procedure may work on other Honda models as well. If you've disconnected or had the battery go dead, then the radio may lose its code and you'll have to re-enter it. If you do have the vehicle's owner's manual, it should be inside there. However, this vehicle did not come with that, so I'm required to call the dealer. This is a security feature. If you don't have the code, then you cannot use the radio. First is obtaining the radio serial number. Have the key in the on position to enable the radio. First is turning the radio off, then press and hold the 1 and 6 preset buttons at the same time and turn the radio on. As you can see, we have the serial number that is used to call into the dealer to obtain the code. This is a free service by the dealer, so they shouldn't charge for it. Once you get that code from the dealer, turn the radio back on and then enter in the code when the screen prompts for it. After that, your radio is ready to be used. If you do get a code wrong, the radio will show an error message. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.